In this video we're going to use the cosine rule to find the missing angle x. So to use the cosine rule, first of all we need to remember the cosine rule, and we need to use the form where we are going to find an angle. So this form is cos of angle A equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2bc. Now we could relabel all the corners and edges of this triangle as A, B and C, with x or L being A and the other two being B and C. But let's think about what the formula tells us. The formula tells us that cos of x, which is here, is equal to, well, B and C are the two lengths that are not opposite x. So they're the two lengths either side. So B in this case could be 1.7, so 1.7 squared, and C in this case could be 3.2. Now we didn't need to relabel, we just remember that the B and the C are the two lengths either side of the angle we're trying to find, and A is the length opposite the angle we're trying to find, which in this case is 1.8. Okay, and then that all goes over 2 times by B, which is 1.7, one of the ones that isn't opposite x, times by the other one that isn't opposite x, which is 3.2. We now calculate this, and we get a value of, on the top, 9.89, and on the bottom 10.88, which when we put that into our calculator we get 0.909, and it carries on going. But we're not finished, because that is cos of x equals that, so we need to work out x. X is equal to cos inverse of 0.909, and the way we get cos inverse, remember, is to press shift and then the cos button, and rather than typing 0.909, it's better if we put the answer button, use the answer button in there to get an exact answer, and when we do that we get a value of 24.63 degrees to 2 decimal places. And that's how we use the cosine rule to find an angle in a triangle where we're given all three lengths that isn't a right angled triangle.